Now these, I believe, are called bromeliads. I was actually planning on digging these up. We had transplanted these from my wife's grandmother's house. They just never did do anything, and then all of a sudden this year they're not only multiplying, but they're all starting to flower. Hang on, I'll give you a good pan of them. I don't know much about them yet. I'm gonna research them a little bit. Hang on, I'll give you a pan of the whole bed. As you can see, they're scattered all throughout right there. We just put them in the dirt to keep them alive when we went and got them. Now that I see what that they are thriving, I'm gonna do a little more research. We may do a video on them when I get ready to figure out what to do. If you know anything about them, I'd appreciate some comments. I believe my wife's mother told us they were called bromeliads.